I'm about to share with you a simple way for beginners to make money on Amazon. But before we get into it, smash that like button to show your support. Now we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing. So to get started, you need to join Amazon Associates and set up your account. Once your application is approved, you can start earning daily commissions. You see these amounts right here? They were made using methods I'm about to explain in this video. It's not a huge amount, but the best part is that I only had to work once and now it's all passive income. Let me demonstrate how it works. Let's go into Amazon.com for a moment and let me choose one of these items at random. I'm going to go for that one here. Now here's what you can do. If I go to the top of this website and then to SiteStripe, because I'm an Amazon Associates member, I have more options. And once I'm here, what I can do is I can type in my personalized affiliate link in seconds and then start promoting this product for a commission. I'm sure you all know how affiliate marketing works, so I'm not going to bother explaining it. However, to get a unit, you must first be a member of Amazon Associates. That's why you need to submit your application or you won't get these extra options. With that said, let's connect to the second website we will be using, which is called ChatGPT on openai.com. I'm certain you're familiar with this tool already. It has become extremely popular in a very short amount of time. Everyone is talking about it and it's one of the most advanced language models for conversations powered by AI. And guess what? It's completely free. Plus it has incredible features. It can write code, plus help you fix your code, search for internet articles and video ideas. These options are limitless. Now let me explain how we can use it to make money through Amazon affiliate marketing. I understand it may seem confusing at first, but it will become more clear soon, so stay with me because it's definitely worth it. All you need to do for now is click Try ChatGPT to access the page where you can interact with your AI. Now let's go back to Amazon.com for a second and look for a random item. We'll look for a Sony camera, for example. I want it to be as random as possible. And now once you've searched, you want to choose a specific item. So let's choose one of the best. This has just over 40,000 reviews and a very good rating. So what I'm going to do now is just copy the name of this product and then go back to ChatGPT and ask it to write me a product description for the Sony camera, and let's see what we can do at this point. ChatGPT will search the internet including Amazon and a bunch of other websites and find a relevant product description in seconds, and that's it. It's already started writing, and not only that, but it's a very natural description. It won't just give you a few points. For example, unleash your creativity and elevate your photography skills with the remarkable Sony camera, designed with cutting-edge technology and exceptional craftsmanship. This camera empowers you to capture life's most cherished moments with stunning clarity, detail and color accuracy. So here's what I want you to do next. Let's copy this text, let's log into Google Docs and create a new document. We'll keep all of these scripts here and you'll see why in a second. As you can see, ChatGPT can provide this detailed description for a specific product, but it can do much more. For example, we can ask it for something a little more complicated. For example, provide me with a list of the top 3 Sony cameras on Amazon and write the product description for each. Let's watch the magic happen. Now you have to keep in mind that you're not talking to a real person here, so it might still give you wrong information. Also, sometimes you may need to rephrase your instructions until you get the desired result. What I'm going to do now is take my time and find 3 of the best Sony cameras on Amazon. You want to pick items that have a lot of reviews so they seem very trustworthy, but let me copy the name of this one and run the same experiment. In the meantime, we need to turn this script into a voiceover. Now for this reason, what I'm going to do is just copy the script and go to video.cl. Make sure you type it with a W. So you want to enter your text here and choose the voice you want. You have many different options with different accents and languages. So let me just choose an American accent like this and let's give an overview.
Type text here. Introducing the Sony a7 III full frame mirrorless camera.
As you can see here, it's not the most natural voiceover in the world, but it's pretty good. If you're satisfied, you can simply download the MP3 file and then use it. If not, you might want to get a good mic and record the voiceover yourself, which I personally recommend you do. It's much easier and much better. It will look so much more natural than this robot and it won't take much time. We're talking about a few lines of text that you need to read. But the bottom line is, when it comes to using ChatGPT, what we want to do is repeat this process for 5 different products or even 10 of them, depending on the quality of your work. You want to invest in the process and it will produce full product descriptions for each of them. Once you have the script, you want to turn it into a voiceover using artificial intelligence and using automated text-to-speech software, or recording the voiceover yourself, which is preferred but not required. I'm sure you're already starting to guess what we want to do in the end is just turn this whole script into a real video, a full product review that's pretty appealing and can serve a very specific goal, and that is to sell these affiliate products. So let me break it down. Once you have your voiceover and script in order, the next thing you need to do is get the footage. And the easiest way to do this is to go back to Amazon, click on the product listings, and literally download the images they display. You also have videos, 3 different videos that we can download with just a few clicks, and that's all you need. You don't need to save your images. You can simply download these videos from Amazon and reuse them. And finally, this is what your video will look like, and I'm just gonna let it play for a few seconds so you can get an idea.
What's up, guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Sony cameras in 2023.
And as you can see, this video is nothing but a collection of videos and pictures of this product that you can download from Amazon. And as we have just established, there is also a voiceover and a script, very similar to ours. Also, if you know the basics of video editing software, you can make a video like this in under 5 minutes. It's super easy. All you have to do is gather some footage, add a voiceover, and you're done. In this video here, she generated over 20,000 views, and they didn't need to create a truly unique script. They only described each of these products, but they generated over 20,000 views. Their YouTube channel is probably also monetized, but the important thing is that they use these videos as a source of traffic for affiliate marketing, and that's exactly how I generated those commissions as well. And this is how you will make money with affiliate marketing on Amazon. And what you want to do is create as many of these videos as possible, and once you've made your top 3 Sony camera videos, you want to move on to other electronics like vacuum cleaners, washing machines, and TVs maybe, and the list goes on. There are literally so many products that you can cover. In fact, this YouTube channel does just that. They post daily. I mean, they have so many videos, and no wonder they get so many views and probably so much money in affiliate revenue. We're talking about roughly 60 million views that they've generated so far, and probably hundreds of thousands of dollars in commissions on Amazon. And I'm not even talking about advertising revenue that YouTube pays them. So you have all the resources you need to make it work. All you have to do is start using ChatGPT, use all the other tools we've covered in this video, and put those videos together. Then you just post them to your channel, link Amazon products using your affiliate links, and you're good to go. It's literally a passive income stream. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.